My tyre is squishy. What's happened here? So that's a disappointing start to the morning on a day I'd resolved to put yesterday behind me and have a nice day. I put some air in it. It seems to be holding up, so hopefully I'll get to the first cafe, have a coffee and then fix it with the aid of some water, which I have currently run out of. The tyre is holding up surprisingly well, so I might leave it till I get to town. Assalamu alaikum. I had not allowed for the auberge to be fully booked. Sadly, everything else was either out of my price range or already full. Hi.
Little side streets here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you smell the couscous and the...
I put only my notebook that you can put your bike here. Welcome.
Hi.
She take care about the house. She's with my sister.
Oh, hi. Assalamu alaikum.
I'll show you your room. Come on. Assalamu alaikum. The guests, they left just now the room because normally we give at 1.
Sure. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much. The most incredible thing has just happened. The auberge is full. It's the weekend. There's a sporting activity going on. This couple saw me being turned away by another budget hotel and have offered me a room in their guest house. The place is this nice with white towels make me so nervous. I'm going to have to give myself a very thorough scrub. Along with being given an amazing free place to stay, I've also been given a lunch recommendation. So I've got some kind of stew with beans and lamb, salad and chippies, plenty of bread, and a view of the market. most Tunisian mosques are closed to non-Muslims, but there's a sign outside in 4 languages instructing on proper attire, which I assume is directed at non-Muslims. So I'm very happy to be able to see inside the Grand Mosque here. Assalamu alaikum. I cannot believe my luck. If I hadn't found a place to stay tonight and it was looking very much like I wasn't about to, then I would have been pushing my bike around through the souk, watching the time to get ready to go and find somewhere to camp, and instead I'm editing my vlog from the pool in this gorgeous guest house with a lovely room to stay in tonight. Happy days. I cannot believe my luck.